Hello! Today we are doing the second video. Right now, you can see these bone broths. It has in here a lot of yummy stuff. Yum yum! My mom gives me every day one of these. Now, let me correct myself in the first video. What I was talking about was there's good bacteria and there's bad bacteria. We want to put the good bacteria to work and the bad bacteria to the trash can so they don't come back. You have to do a special detox to take them out. As you can know, these are bone broths. These are both chicken and this is cow. You can put veggies. And remember, to cook these, you need a metal pan and clean it because it can have any type of bacteria and we don't want them to get in our yummy soup. We need a wooden spoon because we don't want plastic and anything. This one, if you put it in boiling water, it'll just get wet. Instead of plastic, it can get into this and it can get disgusting and we don't want to eat that. You can also add veggies and all of this. Don't forget the salt. Now, if we're talking salt, look how beautiful is this. It's salty, just put a little bit. It's like crystals. Look. Don't put the bad salt, put like ocean salt because it has more good nutrients. Remember to put it in the ceramic glass. So we want to put it here because then it gets like warm. Instead, in the plastic one, you don't want to try it. Talking about, you do not want to burn yourself. So get good, comfy gloves so you don't burn yourself. Now, I'm going to really cook it. Which one would you like? For me, I'll choose this one. And I'm seriously gonna do it. So we're gonna put it here. But first of all, we have to clean it. Go here. We're gonna open it. And remember, you need soap and these guys. Don't put too much soap so you don't waste it. Put like this much. Are you having fun? Because I'm gonna do it actually for real. Now, I'm gonna do this. There. I'm gonna let it. I'm using natural soap, not bad soap. And it's called castilic soap, I think. And this actually cleans the whole thing. Remember, you have to clean it everything, not just inside, but also outside. And now comes the fun part, where you clean it all. Good. And then you put this one. Good. And now that. We don't want to ruin the taste, so please don't add like things that aren't in the instructions. Now my mom puts this on breakfast and for snack time. Not all the time. See? Another video, I'm going to show you how to do the bone broth all by yourself. Another day, we'll get the bones because right now I don't really have the bones. So I can't really show you how to. But it's a fun time to do it. I'm going to right now put this there. going to take care of this fire. Oh, I didn't notice, but now the bone broth is ready. It's very hot, so remember to put your gloves. So now, you take your gloves. Only use one. Take it off. And remember to always use metal. Put them in here. Put the cup. Time to drink. Super yummy! See you next